first time ever, you can achieve smooth, accurate autofocus when shooting video with a DSLR camera. It's the level of autofocus you'd expect from a camcorder. Canon's groundbreaking, newly developed dual-pixel CMOS autofocus technology makes this sharp autofocus possible. On this new sensor, more than 80% of the 20 million pixels work together, measure the signal, and focus on the subject at hand. When shooting a moving subject, the ability to track or follow that subject and still maintain focus is highly improved. Live view shooting of photographs is remarkably fast, and movies incredibly smooth. The EOS 70D's vari-angle LCD with touch shutter gives you the flexibility to shoot at low and high angles with ease. And with 103 compatible Canon EF lenses, the new EOS 70D with this powerful autofocus feature While shooting with the EOS 70D, I've noticed a dramatic improvement in the autofocus performance. What do you imagine when you hear the word autofocus? Perhaps something like fast and accurate focusing? While this is correct for still photographs, it cannot be applied to video. For still photos, it's the results and not the focusing process that counts. However, with video, the focusing process is what matters the most. How the focus adjusts has a strong influence on the viewer's perceptions. People feel comfortable when viewing film with smooth adjustment in focus. There are three important aspects to be aware of when autofocusing video. First, focusing has to be achieved naturally, meaning it will adjust smoothly without stuttering. Second, once the video is in focus, it should stay in focus. Third, focusing should be reliable where it is difficult to reach the camera and operate the manual focusing by hand, such as in tight spaces. The dual-pixel CMOS AF in the EOS 70D realizes these aspects. Now, let's take a look at the actual shooting. First of all, the autofocus must perform smoothly. Conventional AF searches for focus on the subject before coming into focus, and this looks unnatural in a video. This is not a problem with the EOS 70D as the camera focuses quickly. Once in focus, the EOS 70D never lets go of its subject, meaning the focus locks on the subject no matter how much it moves around. The camera will keep focus on the subject even if the distance between the camera and the subject changes. When it's difficult to focus manually and you can't reach the focusing ring, the dual-pixel CMOS AF will help you. The autofocus in the EOS 70D replicates how the human eye sees things. Its AF is not based on that of a still photo, but is designed especially for video. The EOS 70D's all-new dual-pixel CMOS AF will be the dawn of a new era.